This is the Unit 5 Lesson 3 retrieval in our packet. It's on page 24, and I am not going to make the reference to the SpongeBob episode.
I thought of something funnier than 24.
Let me hear it.
25.
Okay, number 1, identify which of the given points are solutions to the following linear equation. Select all. Okay, it might be more than one. So to see if something's a solution, I have to plug it into the equation and see if it works. Basically, I'm just going to plug in the x value and see if I get this y value. So -4, I'm plugging in this x value, and let's see what we get. -4 times -4 is 16, plus 5 is 21. That is not 5. Didn't work. Okay, how about -2? I've got -4 times -2 plus 5. Okay, -4 times -2 is +8. Plus 5, that's 13. Okay, that worked. Great, B is a solution. Next, -4 times 0 plus 5. Well, times 0, that just goes away. Plus 5, I get 5. Didn't work. Okay, -4 times 2 plus 5. That'd be like -8 plus 5. That's -3. Oh yeah, great. That's a solution. We'll see if they keep the pattern going, if this one isn't a solution. -4 times 4 plus 5. -16 plus 5, -11. Oh, twist. That's a solution. Okay. All right, for the next one, find a missing value that will make each ordered pair be a solution. So they're going to give us either x or y, and we have to figure out what the other number should be. So for this first one, we put in 0 for x. Well, that basically makes all this go away. So y has to be 12. Okay, 2x plus, this time we put in 0 for y. So that all goes away. 2x equals 12. X would have to be 6. 2 times 6 would give us 12. All right, let's see if it gets more complicated now. X, we're putting in -1. So 2 times -1 plus y equals 12. Okay, so that's like -2 plus y equals 12. If I were to solve for y here, I'd be adding 2 to both sides. Y would be 14. All right, couldn't quite do that one in my head. I'm a little concerned about how much space I have for these. Okay, next I'm putting in 5 for x. So 2 times 5 plus y equals 12. That's like 10. I think I can do this one in my head. 10 plus y would have to be 2. Okay, and last but not least, I guess I'll just do down here. I'm putting in 6 for y. Okay, if I subtract 6, 2x has to be equal to 6. X would have to be 3. Do you like the rainbows? I feel like I haven't been doing very well with the color coordinating lately. I gotta do better. Okay, I already know I'm gonna run out of room for this next one. We're gonna distribute on both sides of the inequality. Okay, I've got 5x minus 15. Nothing happened to the plus 2. Less than or equal to, then I've got 2x, and I have minus 10. Okay, deep breath. I can combine these terms over here. 5x minus 13, less than or equal to 2x minus 10. Now I've got x's on both sides, so I need to get rid of the x's on one of the sides. I think we'll go with a 2x because it's smaller. Okay. Now I need to get this x by itself, so I need to add 13 to both sides. I'm super running out of room. I'm gonna have to go up here. Adding 13, that would make this -10 plus 13. 3, and then divide by 3. Oh man, that was not enough room. Okay, so I'm just gonna put 1 right here. I want a closed circle, because it's or equal to, and the smaller side of this symbol is towards the x, so we want numbers smaller than 1, which unfortunately is going to go right through the work I just did, but what are you going to do? Okay, cool.